We are pleased to show you the 2024 Jetta. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated front seats, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, overhead console. Come take a test drive today.